Okay, we're ready to reboot now. And I had to capture the mouse again. It's a little erratic. Okay. So our Linux kernel is starting up for the first time after we've done the installation. There'll be a few more steps to complete after the first boot. So this is the grub bootloader starting up first. It automatically picks what version of the kernel you want to boot. Okay, you can see the screen resizing as the video driver changes the video mode. Okay, now that our boot has completed, we get prompted to accept the licensing information. And then accept that and press done. There is also a prompt for the Ethernet is on. We've already selected our host name, so we're done here too. We can click Finish Configuration. The GNOME desktop is starting up. And we're up. I'm being prompted to log in. I'll click on my name. It's a little slow. I have some other things running in the background. But eventually we'll see the desktop here. Okay, a few more steps. We're going to select English. And we're ready to go. There's some getting started videos if you care to watch them. I'm going to dismiss this, and now I have my desktop.